How to create a YouTube channel for beginners. Hello everyone, welcome to this step-by-step tutorial in which we will be teaching you for creating a YouTube channel for beginners. So first of all, open the browser and go to youtube.com. Make sure to sign in into your account with your Google account. Now click on the profile and then click on the create a channel link. After that, select the name as well as the handle. Once that is done, tap on create channel, which will take few minutes to create a YouTube channel for you. So once you refresh the page, you will see your channel created. After this, you can click on the option of customize channel, which will take you to the YouTube's creator studio, from which you can create different types of contents, upload videos and view the channel settings. The channel settings includes dashboard, the contents and much other options. So this is how you can upload the videos to your YouTube channel that you have just created. So that is all for today's video. For more such contents, do not forget to hit the like and subscribe button. Thank you and keep watching.